Since a lot of you are focusing on this one stock, Suzlon, that's again come back on the radar. From the last 2 days, it's been hitting upper circuits as well. Let's go on to understand what exactly is pushing the stock higher and it near its 52-week high levels, which is around 84 odd levels now. And all eyes are now on that level too. Let's go across to my colleague Asim, who's now with us to share with us some of the reports right here. What is pulling up the stock higher and what's next going forward for Suzlon? Take it away, Asim.
Yeah, thanks, Sakshi. So the stock has risen 10% in the last two sessions. This comes after global brokerage firm Morgan Stanley has maintained its overweight rating on the stock, and it has assigned a target price of rupees 73, which has already been met. And the reaffirmation by the global brokerage came after the company won a 1,166 megawatt order from NTPC Green Energy. So in today's trade, Suzlon shares hit upper circuit of 5% for the second straight session. The market cap of the green energy firm climbed to rupee 1.11 lakh crore. Referring to the order from the NTPC, the global brokerage said this is a notable achievement for Suzlon as it has secured a PSU order after long hiatus. Morgan Stanley also said that the large contract will enhance Suzlon's earnings visibility for FY 26-27. Commenting on the outlook of the stock, market expert Raghvendra Singh said that Suzlon has been in focus for the past 6 to 8 months. The stock has given an uptrend again. If it breaks above rupees 80 to 82 levels, then the counter can rise further. He sees the stock to touch rupees 100 level in the near future. Kranti Batini, Director of Equity Strategy at Wealth Mills Securities, said Suzlon is a high beta stock and it is in a consolidation phase after hitting a 52-week high of rupees 84.4. Right now, it is entering into the momentum zone. He also said that one can hold on to the stock with a strict trading stop loss of rupees 70. Investors with high risk appetite should only consider trading in this stock, he said. Then Jigar S. Patel, Senior Manager and Technical Research Analyst at Anand Rathi, said the support for the stock lies at rupees 75 and resistance at rupees 79. A decisive close above rupees 79 level may trigger a further upside towards rupees 83. He also said the stock is expected to trade in a range between rupees 75 to rupees 83 in the short term. Back to you, Sakshi.
Okay, got it. So that's the view that's coming in as far as Suzlon is concerned. Keep an eye out on this stock as we will continue to take experts' views on this throughout the course of the day as well, viewers. Thanks a lot, Asim, for being with us with that report. And let's now welcome our other guest on the show who's joining in to address all your stock-related queries. Brijesh Singh, he's the Senior Technical Analyst at Stock Access, is now joining in. Brijesh ji, namaskar. Thank you so much for taking the time out. पहले Suzlon से ही शुरू कर लेते हैं क्योंकि उसके बारे में ही चर्चा हो रही थी और लगातार बहुत सारे सवाल हमारे पास आज Suzlon के एक बार फिर से आ रहे हैं. कुछ लोग जो फ्रेश एंट्री ले रहे हैं और कुछ लोग जो लंबे समय से रुके हुए हैं स्टॉक पर, दोनों के लिए क्या राय देंगे?
Good afternoon, Sakshi. See, overall the trend of the chart is been positive of the Suzlon. If we look out the shorter term time frame of the chart, from a level of say 37 from a month of May onwards, it's been trading with higher tops and higher bottom formation. That is one part. Second, 52-week high of this stock lies at 84 rupees. Today it's been a circuit. Gap of opening has already been there, and past 2-3 days we have seen a volume breakout also. Suppose someone has missed the rally, don't worry, present rate can be used to go long. I mean to say somewhere around 80-81 rupees. If you are able to get it, you can buy it. Or in any dip, if it trades somewhere around 75 to 77, then also one can look out to buy. Stop loss wise, I'll say keep a stop loss of 70 rupees. That is a swing low. Third, if someone has a view of say short term, then your 89 to 92 rupees is a target. And when I say short term, that means I am assuming that 2 week to 3 week time frame. If someone has a view of say of a couple of months, then a potential target it would be 105 to 110. So 70 would be the stop loss in both the scenario. Present rate or dips can be used to go long for the target of 90 to 95 followed by 105 to 110.
Okay, got it. So that's the view that's coming in on Suzlon, viewers.